Hello children, welcome to English class. How are you all? I think all are safe. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 2 children. We are in block 5, silly poem. Lesson number 2, same sound, different spelling. Today our lesson is children, same sound but we have different spelling. Keywords are blows, close, goes, horse, nose, nose, rose, shows, those, toes, does. Okay children, these are the keywords of the lesson. I will explain you which words will rhyme and which will do not rhyme. First we will see with the spelling, same spelling, which words will rhyme, and sounds, which are the same sounds that rhyme. Okay children? Children, here I have drawn a table, same letters rhyming words, that is different letters rhyming words. Yes children, if you see, these are the keywords only which I have taken, N-O-O-N, noon. If you see, the last 3 letters are same. Rhyming words means last letters will be same. Yes, O-S-C, O-S, rose, nose, thin, zing, thin, zing, ing, ing. Okay children? So these are the same letters rhyming words. Now the second column is different letters but they are rhyming words only. For example, yesterday we have underlined this in the poem. Fun, one. Fun, one. Same sound. Last sound is same. Hair, where. Hair, where. Different spellings are there but the sound is same children. Rose, goes. Rose, goes. Nose, toes. Nose, toes. Yes children, we have rhyming words with the same spellings and with the same sound. Now I am going to tell you words that do not rhyme. Their spelling will be same but they do not rhyme. For example, D-O-E-S, does. D-O-E-S, does. T-O-E-S, toes. Yes children? Spelling is same, the last 3 letters are same but sound is different. So, does and toes do not rhyme. Fine?
Yes children, now open your workbook page number 32. Write the date here. S2, same sound, different spelling. Same sound, different spelling. First one is circle the rhyming words in each sentence. Circle the rhyming words in each sentence. Okay children, A bit. The cat wore my hat and sat on the mat. Yes, in this sentence we have to circle the rhyming words. Yes, cat and hat are rhyming. Yes, and then sat is also rhyming word of cat and hat, and then mat. Okay, so cat, hat, sat, mat. B bit. If you fly a kite at a great height, it would look just right. Now in the B bit, first kite, okay, and then height, and then right. Put a circle to right. Okay children, kite, height, right. C bit. The little bunny took all the honey and ran away with the bear's money. Yes, here bunny, honey and money. Put a circle to money. Finished? Like this you have to circle the rhyming words. Now second one. A bit. Circle the words that rhyme with shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. Shoe. Oo. Okay children? Shoe. We have to rhyme the words from this box which are rhyming with shoe. So, blue, shoe, blue. Yes. Threw, T-H-E-W, threw, shoe, yes, rhyming. Blow, shoe, no, they are not rhyming. Shoe, new, yes, rhyming, yes, they are rhyming. Shoe, clue, yes, clue, shoe are rhyming, okay. Shoe, see, no, they are not rhyming. Shoe, school, no, they are not rhyming. Shoe, glue, shoe, they are rhyming. Glue, shoe, yes, they are rhyming. Glue, shoe, glue, shoe, shoe, two, rhyming. Flew, blue, yes, rhyming. Flew also rhyming. Shoe, low, no, not rhyming. Shoe, low, two different sounds are there, they are not rhyming. Shoe, bow, no, they are not rhyming. Bibit. Circle the words with that rhyme with eat. Circle the words that rhyme with eat. Yes. Head, heat, feet, teeth, bread, seat, wheat, greet, cheat, read, neat, beat. So eat, head, no. Eat, heat, eat, feet, eat, teeth, no, it's not rhyming. Eat, bread, no. Eat, seat, yes, seat rhyming. Put a circle to seat. Then wheat, eat, wheat, yes. Eat, greet, yes. Greet, eat, same sound. Eat, cheat, yes, same last letters, okay. Eat, read, no. Eat, neat, yes, neat also rhyming. And then eat, beat, yes, beat also rhyming. Okay, children. Now let us go to bit number 3. Make 3 sentences each having a pair of rhyming words. Make 3 sentences each having a pair of rhyming words. For example, I saw the mice that ate all the rice. Here 2 rhyming words, pair of rhyming words means 2 rhyming words. Pair means 2, okay. Mice and rice. So like this we have to write the sentences, okay. Let us write the sentence with a pair of rhyming words, okay. So first one I will write, I lost my blue shoe in the zoo. Z-O-O, zoo, full stop. A sentence always starts with capital letter, ends with full stop. And in this sentence, what are the rhyming words? Blue shoe, zoo, also rhyming, okay. Now second one, W-E-V, can, C-A-N, can, take, T-A-K-E, take, the, T-H-E, the, seat, S-E-A-T, seat, A-N-D, and eat, E-A-T, eat, T-H-E, the, wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat, full stop. Children, here 4 lines are given. You know what are the letters which have to touch the middle line, the top line and the bottom line, okay, the last third line. Touch the line properly, write the capital letters properly, write the small letters which has to touch the correct line, okay. We can take the seat and eat the wheat. Seat, eat, wheat are rhyming. Children, C bit we are writing T-H-E, the, B-O-Y, boy, R-E-A-D, red, A-B-O-U-T, about, T-H-E, the, B-R-E-A-D, full stop. The boy read about the bread. The boy read about the bread. Read and bread are rhyming words. Fine, children? Yes, children, take out your classwork. Okay, how I have shown you, like that you have to write keywords we have done, meanings like this you have to write. After writing subheading meaning, underline it. Okay, missed match, something that does not match. Keep one finger gap, leave one line, giant, very big. Okay, then turn to next page. Okay children, then write here make sentences. Underline make sentences also with red color pencil. First one missed match. So make sentences means how you will write. With the help of reader you can write. It is there in the reader. Ravi, capital letter R capital. Ravi's apostrophe S. Missed match socks made everyone laugh. Now after writing this, what you will do? You have to underline. Underline the word with which we are making sentences. Okay, underline. Take a scale and red pencil, and underline. Next, giant. I saw a giant tortoise at the beach. So here giant you have to underline. Like this you have to complete meanings and make sentences. 2 meanings and 2 make sentences, no children. That's why I have given in the same class. Okay children, the pattern of the classwork will be always will start with keywords, then meanings, and then make sentences. If the lesson 2 the blocks, for 2 blocks they have given same meanings and make sentences, means we will not write, we will go to question answers. Okay children, all should watch the videos. Please do complete your classwork and your workbook. Click a photo of that and send it in the WhatsApp group to get your attendance. Attendance is very important. Okay na children? Yes parents, please see that your child does the homework and please click a picture of it and send it in the group. All the second class children, not only A section, B section or C section, I am telling to all the children of second class. Okay, you all good children, no? You want attendance? You want to go to next class? Yes, do the work and send the photo in the group. Thank you children. Have a nice day.